Hello dear people, in this video we are going to see section 72 of the Companies Act 2013, which is power to nominate, and rule 19, which is nomination by securities holders of the company's share capital and debentures rules 2014. Let's get into the video. Section 72, power to nominate. This section has got 4 subsections. Let's see those subsections one by one. Subsection 1. Every holder of securities of a company may at any time nominate in the prescribed manner any person to whom his securities shall vest in the event of his death. Subsection 2. Where the securities of a company are held by more than one person jointly, the joint holders may together nominate in the prescribed manner any person to whom all the rights in the securities shall vest in the event of death of all the joint holders. Subsection 3. Notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, or in any disposition, whether testamentary or otherwise, in respect of the securities of a company where a nomination made in the prescribed manner purports to confer on any person the right to vest the securities of the company, the nominee shall, on the death of the holder of securities, or as the case may be, on the death of the joint holders, become entitled to all the rights in the securities of the holder, or as the case may be, of all the joint holders in relation to such securities, to the exclusion of all persons, unless the nomination is varied or cancelled in the prescribed manner. Subsection 4. Where the nominee is a minor, it shall be lawful for the holder of the securities making the nomination to appoint in the prescribed manner any person to become entitled to the securities of the company in the event of the death of the nominee during his minority. Now we are going to see Rule 19, nomination by securities holders. Point number 1. Any holder of securities of a company may at any time nominate in form number SH13 any person as his nominees in whom the securities shall vest in the event of his death. Point number 2. On the receipt of the nomination form, a corresponding entry shall forthwith be made in the relevant register of securities holders maintained under Section 88 by the company. Point number 3. Where the nomination is made in respect of the securities held by more than one person jointly, all joint holders shall together nominate in form number SH13 any person as nominee. Point number 4. The request for nomination should be recorded by the company within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of the duly filled and signed nomination form. Point number 5. In the event of death of the holder of securities, or where the securities are held by more than one person jointly, in the event of death of all the joint holder, the person nominated as the nominee may, upon the production of such evidence as may be required by the board, elect either to register himself as holder of the securities or to transfer the securities as the deceased holder could have done. Point number 6. If the person being a nominee, so becoming entitled, elects to be registered as a holder of the securities himself, he shall deliver or send to the company a notice in writing signed by him stating that he so elects, and such notice shall be accompanied with the death certificate of the deceased share or debenture holders. Point number 7. All the limitations, restrictions, and provisions of the Act relating to the right to transfer of securities shall be applicable to any such notice or transfer as aforesaid, as if the death of the share or debenture holder had not occurred, and the notice or transfer were a transfer signed by that shareholder or debenture holder, as the case may be. Point number 8. A person being a nominee becoming entitled to any securities by reason of the death of the holder shall be entitled to the same dividends or interest and other advantages to which he would have been entitled to if he were the registered holder of the securities, except that shall not, before being registered as a holder in respect of such securities, be entitled in respect of these securities to exercise any right conferred by the membership in relation to meetings of the company, provided that the board may at any time give notice requiring any such person to elect either to be registered himself or to transfer the securities. And if the notice is not complied with within 90 days, the board may thereafter withhold payment of all dividends or say interest, bonuses, or other monies payable in respect of the securities, as the case may be, until the requirements of the notice have been complied with. Point number 9. A nomination may be cancelled or varied by nominating any other person in place of the present nominee by the holder of securities who has made the nomination by giving a notice of such cancellation or variation to the company in form number SH14. Point number 10. The cancellation or variation shall take effect from the date on which the notice of such variation or cancellation is received by the company. Point number 11. Where the nominee is a minor, the holder of the securities making the nomination may appoint a person in form number SH13 specified under subrule 1 who shall become entitled to the securities of the company in the event of death of the nominee during his minority. Thank you for watching this video, people, and happy e-learning. Good day.